Good morning, children. This is Swati, Faculty of Social Studies in DAV Louis Vika, Bharati Vidya Mandir. Let us continue our lesson, Our Earth. In this lesson, the last topic is longitudes and the question of time. Longitude is derived from the Latin word longitudo, means length, which indicates length or height of the map. Longitudes are semicircles that are connected from pole to pole. The vertical longitude lines are also called as meridians. Longitudes running from pole to pole, which passes through the astronomical observatory at Greenwich, England, is called prime meridian or Greenwich meridian or 0 degree meridian. And the next, many other countries try to fix the longitude which passes through their places at 0 degree longitude, but England zeroed or Greenwich meridian or other also agreed with. There are totally 360 main longitudes which are divided into two groups, that is 0 degree to 180 degrees from east side or west, east longitude, whereas 0 degree to 180 degree longitude from west side or west longitudes. Similarly to latitudes, each and every longitude is represented in minutes and seconds. The longitudes are 180 degrees, which is directly opposite to the 0 degree longitude, is called the antimeridian. And differences between the latitude and longitude. Here, one activity is there, children. Identify the continent in hemisphere. Africa, eastern hemisphere, and northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and Australia, eastern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Like that, once you observe that green color, Antarctica is present, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Like that, all continents, here they mention one activity. Next, identify the continents in hemisphere. Explanation. The eastern hemisphere comprises most of Africa, about half an Antarctica, all of Asia and Australia and Oceania and most of Europe. The western hemisphere comprises about half of Antarctica and all the North and South America. The northern hemisphere comprises all of North America, the northern reaches of South America, about 2/3 of Africa, all of Asia including, and all of Europe. The southern hemisphere comprises most of South America, 1/3 of Africa, all of Antarctica, a small part of Indonesia and all Australia and Oceania. Next, the topic is longitudes and the question of time. Observe the given picture, children. The time taken for a sun to move 1 degree of longitude is 4 minutes. This represents that each degree of longitude has a different time period. For example, when the sun is at 10 degree east longitude, the local time is 12 noon, where it is 11:56 am at 9 degree east and 12:04 pm at 11 degree east. Thus, the time zone is divided into 24 standard time zones from the east to west, starting from the Greenwich meridian, with the width of each zone approximately 15 degree of longitude. This is because the difference between two consecutive time zones is 1 hour. That is 15 degree of longitude multiplied by 4 minutes per longitude equal 60 minutes. The problem with this time zone is that for some countries there exists more than one time zone with less than 1 hour time division. For instance, take India, which would have two half-hour time zone because the time between the western and eastern part of India differ from half an hour. This kind of constraint poses many complications to us. Thus, Some countries choose the time according to the meridians that passes through their territory called as standard time. Standard time, it is the synchronization of clock in different geographical location within a time zone to a common time standard based on the meridian at the center of time zone. For example, India Standard Time for India. Some facts regarding latitude and longitude are listed below. Latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines. To avoid the confusion in time, the central longitude 82 degree 30 minutes east considered as the standard meridian for India and is a reference for IST. IST means Indian Standard Time, which is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT. As the earth rotates on its axis, there will be a time difference while traveling from west to east and east to west. While traveling from the west to east, a person gains 4 minutes of time or he or she crosses every longitude, and while traveling from east to west or he or she loses 4 minutes as crosses every longitude called it is WLS means west lost subtract.